break. Good break. Good break. Catch it high. Good job.
Hey, hammer, hammer, hammer.
Ready, go. There it is. Good job, Walt. Everybody sit in the window.
Yeah, zone scheme. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
There you go.
Yeah, let's go.
3 on 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. Just full speed to contact, and then my base should be wide. Ready, go. Good catch, Bird.
I may have all the right answers on a piece of paper. If I can't communicate it to you and teach it to you, and then you go execute it, it's all for naught. And that means I'm failing you, okay? So let's work together on this so when we get to Friday night, we're flying around.